In this video, you will learn how to fix FaceTime Photos not saving on iPhone, enable FaceTime Live Photos, go to Settings, FaceTime, scroll down to make sure the FaceTime Live Photos is turned on, allow photo access, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Photos, FaceTime and add only photos. Check iCloud photo settings, go to your settings in your name, then iCloud, then Photos and turn on iCloud Photos so FaceTime snapshots can sync properly. Make sure both users enable live photos. FaceTime photos are only saved if both participants have the feature enabled and supported. Restart your device. Simple reboot can refresh permissions and fix temporary system bugs, blocking live photos from occurring. Update iOS. Go to Settings in General, Software Update, and install the latest version, as Apple often fixes FaceTime photo issues in the update. Now you know how to fix FaceTime photos not saving on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.